welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clinton Johnson. What we have for you guys today here in Fort Myers is a 1989 Tiara Yachts 36 convertible. So let's take a look at her and then get on board. So this Tiara 36 convertible, she is in really, really great condition. And I think you guys will really like her. Her name is Misbehavin'. But I mean, she is a clean boat, a very fine example of a 1989. Just in really good condition. Engine room's clean. Engines and generator run beautifully. Just look at that canvas. All that is just beautiful. Let's get on board and we'll head on forward onto the bow first and take a look around there. So, you know, a lot of older boats, you'll see the decks on the bow are faded, you know, stuff like that. But I mean, this really clean and nice looking. You know, hatches, that's where we like to see them. Not a lot of little cracking in it. Of course, we have our electric windlass. And we have anchor chain there, but really good size storage in this anchor locker. So you have the chain going in there, but a lot of extra storage for lines. I don't know if you can see that in there, but good size. If you've never seen a Tiara before, they're just nice boats. And this isn't any exception. Just really nice. Those front covers are in really great condition and not altering. If you take those off, you're going to have a lot of light inside, but it also keeps the sun just from, you know, beating on you inside the boat and heating up the boat on a hot, sunny day. All right, let's head to the aft end and we'll get up in the Flybridge and take a look around there. And here we have the aft deck. Get down in here. Plenty of room for chairs just to relax, fish off the aft end. There is a built-in door there so you can get on that way. If you didn't see it before, really nice swim platform. I did want to open this up so you can look and see. You do have your sink outside right here. They have some storage in it. But what is really nice is a very, very large ice box. That is really, really, really nice. All right, now we'll head up this really nice ladder. Get up there and snoop around on the bridge. Now that we're up on the bridge, really nice commanding view up here. Great visibility. This particular boat, the isinglass, clearly looks like it's about brand new. Really nice. This up here, and if it's, you know, if it was dirty at all, you'd be able to see it on this white. Really nice. Very large bench seat up here, so you could have a bunch of people sitting here while underway. Isinglass opens up right here. Zippers, rolls up. Get really nice airflow. Zippers on the side, zippers on the back, so you can just have airflow. Two really nice chairs here. Let's take a look at this helm station. The owners of this boat kept a lot of the electronics on so that I could actually show you that they work. Big 10-inch screen on this Garmin. It's like got our autopilot here, nice Ray Marine unit. But just sitting here, kicking back, beautiful. Let's head on down and we'll get inside the boat and snoop around a bit there. All right, back on the aft deck. Nice curtain there, you can see. Nice large sliding glass door. And here is the main salon. Very roomy. This is a 36-foot boat. For a 36-foot boat, plenty of room. Nice carpet in here. Real clean and nice. Warm. Love the woodwork in here. Love the fact that when you look at the ceiling here, it is clean. Just love that beautiful woodwork. Just love wood on a boat. Here's where you have your breaker panel. Stereo system. We've got a little ice box here. Really nice automatic ice maker. You can see that it's making ice, so it does work. Now we're going to get to the galley. Lots of room, really clean, really nice. I know you're all saying, well, Clint, where's the refrigerator? This has not quite like an apartment or house type full-size refrigerator, but for a boat, a full-size refrigerator. And we'll look at that here in a bit. So let's get on down there and take a closer look. So a 2-burner electric stove. Something kind of neat about this is pops up and you can actually get under here and clean really easily. That's nice. This boat does come with air conditioning. It's not on right now. It's a really nice day here in Florida. Real nice double stainless steel deep sinks. Plenty of counter room back here. Plenty of drawers and storage. And here we have a fairly sizable microwave. Earlier I told you if you're wanting some more light, those windows can be uncovered and they're big and it would just make it seem really open on those days that you weren't getting too much sun blaring in, but really nice. And here we have a refrigerator and freezer. Let's take a look. We'll start with the freezer. That is a good size freezer. And I'm thinking the most important thing there is ice cream. At least in my world, in Clint's world, ice cream, that's important. If it's a hot day and you just wanted something really cold, a freezer of this size is really nice. Good size refrigerator. Plenty of storage in the door. Now I'm going to head forward and we're going to check out the berthing, the stateroom, and we will get into the engine bay. So I want you to hang on with me. It is underneath. You roll up that carpet and the access to the engine room and the generator is there, but we'll save that towards the end of the video so that you guys can see that run. Let's head up here to the guest stateroom. Hey guys. Do you need a loan to buy your new boat? So many lenders. Who to choose? Are you getting the best rate? What if the boat I want is older than 20 years old? Not to worry, my friends. Boat Snoop has a solution. As a yacht broker, I have a boat loan broker and sponsor of this channel that many of my clients use to great satisfaction. I jokingly call him my boat lending leprechaun, holding the Holy Grail in his right hand while riding a unicorn over a rainbow into a pot of gold. You might ask, Clint, why do you call him that? Because this guy, he has been in the business for over 30 years and has connections to almost every major boat lender possible. Additionally, he has a good handful of lenders that can finance a boat
21 to 30 years old, and lenders that do that are not that common. Finally, he has one lending source that can finance boats over 30 years old. That's right, it could be possible to get a loan on an antique or classic boat. To summarize, using a boat loan broker such as this saves you time, as you only have to fill out one application instead of many from a whole host of different lenders, which is time-consuming and utterly exhausting. As many of my clients have found, he'll bring to you the best financing deals he can find and that you can qualify for. If you're located in the United States, need a boat loan for $20,000 US or more, and you are interested in connecting with my personally recommended boat lending leprechaun, just email me your name and best phone number at lender@boatsnoop.com. Upon receiving your email, I will personally introduce my lender and you via email. At that point, I just fade away and let the two of you get to work on financing your new boat.
Really nice sliding door. So let me open that up and we'll take a look. So this guest stateroom is on the starboard side, just coming out of the galley. You got two twins here. You have two ports that open for really good airflow, and you could be just laying there and, you know, just looking out. Additionally, it does have a hatch here for additional airflow if out at anchor. But definitely nice and roomy. As we head forward to the master stateroom, and it is a nice one, we are going to take a look right here through this door. We do have this boat's head. There is a door right here that goes into the master stateroom, so you can access it there. But good size sink, good size shower with a sit down in it, and then you have your toilet. But this is good sized. And you have your hatch up there and your port over there that opens for airflow. All right, let's go take a look at the master stateroom. All right, coming into this master stateroom, you do have some access on either side. So you don't have to completely crawl out. You can kind of slide to the side and get out. If you had to get out during the middle of the night, go visit the head, or you have a locker there. And here is that other access door going into the head. Real nice. More drawers, storage for clothing. And additionally, it does have a folding door for privacy when you need it. All right, we're gonna head up here and get in the engine room and check it out, watch the generator and engines run. Pass by this really nice freezer and refrigerator again. It is a Norcold unit, good brand name. And we'll head up here, and of course we have Boat Snoopy joining us today. He's waiting just to for me to open up this, roll this up and get into the engine room and show you guys. So let's go check it out. Alrighty, we're gonna get down in this engine room. Notice no water, really pretty darn clean engine room here. We're gonna take a look at this Westerbeek 7.5 kW generator. We're gonna watch her run as well. And then we have a starboard and port Crusaders 454s running 350 horse each. Let's get down there and take a look. Bilge pump, strainers, Raycor. We have our battery switches and everything back there. All right, let's watch the generator run, and then we'll watch the engines run. So here what we have a Westerbeek 7.5 kilowatt generator, and we're going to start that for you. And I have seen her run in the past, and she runs smoothly. Let's take a look. And down here what we have is two Crusader 454s. We're looking here initially at this starboard engine, and we'll fire that up and so you guys can see her run. Right, and here is the port engine, and we'll get them to fire this one up as well. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop with Boat Snoopy, where we took a look at this 1989 Tiara Yachts 36 convertible. Appreciate you coming along for the ride with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video specifically, or if not, click that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you next time.